Guys, what's up to another video? It is Jacob Pierce here. What is up, guys? You guys are feeling lit? That's good. You guys are feeling dope, great, dabbing on them haters like it's every day, bro. I don't know why I'm copying Jake Paul, but I have a fidget spinner here. I got it like about yesterday off of Amazon. $8 or $1, I'm pretty sure $8. Got it for $8. Sorry guys about that. My dad just asked me if I wanted something to eat, but this fidget spinner is dope. It's lit. For real. And like and subscribe this video. Smash that subscribe button. Smash it. Spin that subscribe button. Spin the like button with a fidget spinner. Oh, sorry. Boom, with a fidget spinner. And I'm always videotaping with a tablet for some reason, but I can only make my video for 4 minutes. I don't know why, but it just sucks for some reason. There's Elijah Pierce, brother. And the news is on. Sorry, it might be. Sorry, guys.
As he was escorted out, a very small group of activists picketed Kinder Morgan's marine terminal in Burnaby. Back at the Energy Forum, the Natural Resources Minister
Okay. Sorry guys, the lighting's a little bit low. I mean, it's too high, but there. And well, if you guys think fidget spinners dope, like or subscribe. I've already said it, but there's the mini hockey. I'll show you guys some of the mini hockey, and we'll get right into it. Okay, so you guys hope kind of like angle, but it's not that good, but looking for the stick. Sticks on top of the net. Here's my stick. Hope you guys like it. It's not that good. It's not amazing. Get all over the place and just gotta go get them out. And right now we have it, and it's gonna be great. Okay. So, guys, barroom, and I hope you guys like this video, but I told you already. And I'm just gonna try out a lesson how to do it. First thing, you just want to pull it in, and then let's get it. Toe dragging shot. Like this. Toe dragging shot like this.